In this video, I'm gonna show you how I switched from this diffuser setup to this.
Jimmyhasnogarage.
Almost 2 years ago, I was trying to be unique, and I set out a mission to find a unique diffuser for my Miata. And my answer was the duraflex RX-7 Rocket Bunny diffuser. It's been great. I've been riding like that for 2 years, and everybody I met likes it. But we human beings, we cannot always stick to one thing, right? So I think it's time for me to try out some new setups. If you haven't checked out that video, or you are actually more interested in that video, go ahead and check that out. This is a Lotus Elise diffuser made by Duraflex. I got it locally here in California from Extreme Dimension, wheel call. By the way, I picked up the diffuser with my green lifted Miata. Okay, no more bullshit, I'm just gonna try putting it on. I check out Car Passion channels, grab Peter's diffuser install. They use like a metal bracket right here, which I didn't do before. All I used was those splitter rods. I used 6 of them, but they are kind of pain in the ass to use because the nut size I have is always different. So to take it out, I have to rotate between 7mm, 8 and 9. That's just pain in the ass, but I'll keep this. Maybe I'll add 1 or 2 to it. But for this project, I think I might follow Grab Peter's way of doing it. I'll just put a metal bracket here and then 2 points here, 1, 2, and then in the front 3, 4. I don't know how to do that because I have a 9090 Miata and I don't have the bracket thingy, so I don't have nothing to bolt this onto. So I might just use the old holes over here and split the rods down right here and see how it goes. Also, my exhaust is kind of in the way. This is catered for my old setup, which the exhaust will be right here, but now this will be on the way. I'll see how do I do that. This is actually close to where I want it to be. It's quite parallel if you look at the and the side matches up. On the side looks like this. This curve looks pretty nice. Same as the bumper. Yo, this exhaust is gigantic. I don't think it's gonna fit anymore. It's looking pretty good. It's gonna take some time for me to get used to this look, because honestly I think this is cooler, but this is more functional and I'm going on track. So yeah. One more thing to notice is that this Duraflex indeed is not very good quality. Look at this fin. This fin is not straight at all. If you look at it from a distance, it looks kind of weird. I'm gonna have to find a way to bend this back, maybe hit it up and then just on the side it even matches, I don't know, the arc of the rear wheel. Pretty OEM-ish. Alright, I went to Home Depot and bought a piece of aluminum that I'll cut and bend. And I also bought some extra bolts because my mounting point is actually quite thick over here and it's like way longer than this. So, you know, like the fiberglass is like here, and I barely have any threads to put on the nut, so I bought some longer ones to put in here so that they will reach. For your information, I think these are pretty standard. Usually they always come with an M5 bolt, so I just went to Home Depot with the bolt. I bought it 25mm, so I'll have like this much space for my nut. And bada bing bada boom, we now have 2 mounting points already using my old bolt hole. And now we're gonna move on to making this bracket over here. I think I'm gonna use this hole on the outside for the bracket, like coming down, and measure like 5" from the bolt to here, and then give it another 3" for 2 bolt holes. Don't just use 1 because it will twist around. Use 2. Just like that, we have cut the perfect. the angle I bent was perfect. Spot on. This side needs a little bit more, less angle. Okay, I bolted the bracket on the car first and then marked the holes. Now I'm taking the diffuser off, drill these 4 holes, and we have 4 mounting points. And bada beam bada boom, we got ourselves a diffuser mounted. Oh my god, this is much easier than I thought. So look at it, it's like that. It's pretty sturdy enough already. Okay, let me tighten that bolt a little bit more. And of course you have to say, this bitch ain't going anywhere. And it will really not go anywhere. That's it. Let's take the car out for a spin and see if we can take some cool pictures. Well guys, thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. This is a little fun project. It's much easier than the first diffuser I made for this car. And I am starting to dig this diffuser now. I thought it wouldn't look good, but now I'm starting to like it. I hope you like it too. If you want to buy it, just go ahead and do it. It's nice. Be sure to subscribe and like this video because it helps me out. It's not that I care because I don't regularly put out videos, but I really hope you dig it, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.